Alright guys, well we won't make you wait any longer. Our next performer brings power and passion to every performance. And baka pwede or mahuhulaan nyo kung sino to. But he is the Tawag ng Tanghalan Duets Grand Champion. Do you guys have an idea? Ay, ang galing, ang galing. Alright, that being said, guys, please put your hands together for the amazing JM De La Serna!
Basta alam mo lang tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong titipin. Kung papatulan mo, lalo ka lang aasa. Let's go! Showtime? Yeah! Kilala niyo po si Meme Vice? Yeah! Kung may gusto kayo sabihin kay Ate Vice, ano ba yun? I love you, Vice. Sige po, makakarating po yan. Ay, joke lang. Kamusta naman po? Kumain na po ba ang lahat? Hindi ba? Bakit?
Pinapasahin na naman!
Busog na? Ano yung talbo ko? Ay, wala. Nakakakala lang overall. Thank you so much. Hi, sir. You good, guys? Ha? Manglibre ko, Jollibee? Akoy! O niya, sige, asama ka mga doon niya. Nagana na kong libre honon. Wala na ko yung TF, ano ba, Benin? Madaming pong Bisaya dito? Daming Bisaya. Yeah. Sige, sino po ba ang, siyempre, kung saan ako nanggaling, Davao City. Davao! Hello guys! Hello sa likod! Davao! Wow! Hello po! Ako guys, tiga Cuatro, tiga Sasa, Davao City. Kailan mong Sasa? Kinsa ang tiga Cebu? Cebu. Ayaw, wala kayo Cebu. Ilocos! Ilocos! Shout out from Ilocos, sir. Sa lahat po ng mga nandyan sa labas, pumasok na po kayo. Come on guys! To all the people outside, come in. Sa English na, mahirap. No, but anyway, once again, welcome po. Ayan, sa Passport to the World, everyone. And of course, first of all, I'd like to thank Passport to the World. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin ang Passport to the World. Thank you so much. And of course, General Entertainment Authorities, JM, maraming salamat. And thank you to His Excellency Turkey Al Sheikh. And thank you, Quality of Life Program. And of course, thank you so much for having me here. So, okay na po ba kumanta pa ako? Yes! Sige, pampainit lang ng konti. No? Itong next song ko po ay isang sabihin natin para sa mga sobrang in love. Na, alam mo yun, magkahawak ang kamay, pero hindi naman sila. Oy, ang dami na tamaan ah! Dito!
Dito! Madami! Dito! Madami!
Nagulap?
Nanghulam daw!
Naghulam? Ay, naghulam ka, kuya? She said she borrowed a partner. Oh my gosh. Hindi. Pero ito para sa lahat, once again, ng mga in love. And it's a classic song, guys. And I know, alam niyo po itong song na to. Sana ay sabayan niyo po ako. Dahil alam ko, napakadami mga singers dito. Please play the music. Magandaan tayo, everyone. Let's go. All the singers out there, please sing with me. I can see your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still alive. Those another love just like a thread that keeps on fading. It ties us back together in the air. I want you to sing this part. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflection. In your eyes, going on. My answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I was. In your eyes, it's drifting the sea. I think I finally Hello, Tito. Kamusta kayo? Okay ka? Hello, sir! If I had to live my life without you, the days would all be empty. Hello, sir! The night would seem so long if you see forever or softly. I might have been girl before. It's gone. These dreams are young and we won't go. Let's take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I want to say without you. Come on, with you. Let's go. know this song? Alright, if you know this song, please sing with me, everyone. This is called Just Once. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're about to be strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Come on. Can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? 'Cause fire will never last for very long. What are we doing wrong? Kasi kailangan mo. Wow! Can we find a way to make it right? Oh, to make the magic last for more than just one night. I knew we could break through it. We could just get to it just once. 'Cause I want to understand. 'Cause fire always comes back to the light. Why can we give ourselves to live and not need to one another? It's better good without each other. Take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once. Can we find a way to find it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I knew we could break through it if we could just get to it. Whoa, we can get to it. Just Thank you so much. I love you too. Thank you for your energy. Maraming salamat sa iyong energy. Thank you so much. Oh, I love you. Thank you. First of all, kanina pa ako ng first of all, pero unang-una naman. Gusto ko pong malaman nyo na sobra akong happy nandito ako ngayon. And sobra akong, grabe yung kagalakan ko po na makita kayong lahat. Salamat sa inyong presensya, salamat sa inyong energy. At, oo, salamat po sa inyong time. Wala po ba kayong work bukas? Meron? Pero ready kayo magpuyatan? Grabe. Kasi madami pa kasi tayong mga artists din, mamaya, no? Wala problema, sinabi yun mo, ha? Sinabi mo yan, ha? Sana isang puyatan. Actually, oo, sabi nga nila, mas buhay daw yung mga tao dito pag madaling araw. Oo. Hello to our local Arabians there. Hello, ma'am, sir. Good evening ba? Good morning. Good day. Oh, good day sa lahat. Ayun, so, gusto ko lang din, sabihin na thank you so much. Ay, hello, ma'am. Kumuhay talaga si ma'am. Hello, ma'am. What's your name? Kasi malayo po siya, eh. What is your name? I can hear you. Hello. Hello to ma'am out there. Oo, napaka gaganda. Gabi, ano yung mga sabon nyo at napaka-press nyo ngayon? Ha? Kung pwede lang talaga kayo hawakan guys at may hug at may kiss. I'm very, very sorry guys, but wala kasing hagdan pabalik sa class. Flying kiss, okay lang ba? Thank you so much. Ay, kinig-kinig din sa mga sir natin. Sorry. Hello po. Nanonood po ba kayo ng ASAP? Ay! Ayan po, so i-promote din pala. Andun po kami every Sunday with Maria Monteliano. Every Sunday po kami. And of course, it's Showtime. Ayan po. Kung nanonood po kayo online, it's Showtime Online U. So you. Sir? Si Big Soto! Wala man siya ron, sir. Tawagin ko, sir. Andun po kami hosting naman dyan sa So You. Ayan. Nako, for sure madaming singers dito. Kasi kaka-start lang po ng TN, Tawag ng Tanghalan, 9th episode ba yan? O season pala, ayan. So, for sure may mga singers dito. Pag napunta po dito, Tawag ng Tanghalan, sasali po ba kayo? Sino po? Nako, mahihilain talaga ako dito. Si ma'am? Sample? Sample! Nako! What's your favorite song, ma'am? Katahan na lang kita. If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'll still be for you.
Even if the sun refuses to shine, even if romance ran out of rhyme,
I would give you my heart until the
end of time.
you're all
I need my love, my Valentine.
Nasa todo po kayong lahat. Nasa todo. Palagpakan niyo yung mga sarili. Mga singers kayo. Diba? Thank you so much. Okay! Sa'yo na nga! Okay, ito. Itong song na ito, kakantahin ko ito para sa lahat ng mga... Oy! Lalig din! Para sa lahat ng mga lamasol ko, kakantahin ko. Liwanag sa para sa lahat ng mga nagliliwanag. Sa bawat nilalang magigising, ang lupang kulang sa dilim. Ikaw ang magsasabi sa panalangin sa gitna ng mundo. Come on! Isigaw mo silbing liwanag. Hanapin mo magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. Oh, 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 oh. destiny. I want to hear it again. Di naman mo mag-ibig ang bagong nawitin. Sigaw mo sa hangin, tumingin at magsiling. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. Hanapin mo, maibig ang bagong nawitin. Liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Oh, hangak man. Sorry? Kapoy? Hindi ko kapoyin para sa inyo. Kapoy para sa inyo. Grabe. Pero alam niyo guys, sobrang deserve niyo to tonight. Kasi alam ko, grabe yung sakripisyo niyo po para sa iyong mga pamilya and of course para sa sarili. Kaya deserve niyo mag-party tonight. Para sa lahat ng mga gustong sumayaw, sasabayan niyo ba ako? Okay, sa likod, sasabayan niyo ba ako? Play the music, let's go! Let's party! Woo! I wanna hear some! 1, 2! Oh, keep your eyes on me, go! Let's set your holding back. She said, this woman is my destiny. She said, shut up and dance with me. Hey! I wanna catch you. Hey! The only things that carry the physical tonight. Helpless to the face of the fading light. I know we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arms, I don't know how it happened. She took the blow and she said, go on, jump! Oh, she fell back, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding what? She said, this woman is my destiny. She said, shut up and dance with me. Hey! About this trace, it's leading us. My hands goes Julie and teenage dream. I felt in my chest just a little. I know we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arms, I don't know how it happened. She took the blow and she said, oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, this woman is my destiny. She said, shut up and dance with me. Oh, come and go. Deep in her eyes, I think I see the future. I realize this is my last chance. She's in my arms. I don't know how it happened. She took the blow and she said, what's up, guys? Come on, let's go. Somebody. Come on. Don't sit there, baby. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, woo! This woman is my destiny. She said, come on, shut up and dance. So she didn't look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, shut up and dance. Come on. Shut up and dance with me. Come on, hey. mo palang pasalamatan. Ayan, Passport to the World, thank you. And of course, General Entertainment Authorities, maraming salamat po. And thank you to His Excellency Turkey Al Sheikh. And thank you, Quality of Life program. Maraming salamat po. Okay, so, may tubig ba? Gusto niyo ba pumarty? Meron pa akong last song? Okay na po ba? Nako, ito para ito sa mga... Sa lahat actually. Para ito sa lahat. So, ito, may nag-offer ng tubig. Ito na lang kay ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sir, please, sir. Thank you so much, sir. You're the best. Magkano ito, ma'am? Magkano? Ang mahal naman. Okay, let's continue the party. Let's play the music. Thank you. Let's go. Please play the music. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much. I love you. Pahingi naman ang kape mo. No, joking. Thank you. Alright, so, I think hindi na play yung ating music tonight. But once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong presensya tonight. At magkikita pa po tayo sa aking next set, my second set. And of course, kasama ang iba pang artists. For sure, excited na kayo. Tama ba? Excited na kayo. Pero ito, since hindi daw mag-play, no? Kakanta na lang ako ng isang classic song. Mag-end ako muna sa first set ko po ng isang classic song. Pang malakas ang song, sana ay mag-gustuhan niyo po. Let's go! Nasa tawag na nakalan muna tayo. I who have nothing, I who have no one, adore you and watch you soar. I'm just no one with nothing to give you all. I love you. He buys your diamonds bright, sparkling like diamonds. But believe me, dear, when I say that he can give you the world, a love that he never loved that way. Who loves you? He can take you whatever place you want. She fancy you on a restaurant, but I can only watch you win. My nose, the rest of the gas, the window pane. But believe me, God that's in mine, looks in the arms of someone else, but not inside. Who loves you? I love you. I love you.
Grabe ang Pelinichi! Ay, palakpakan natin ulit!
Grabe, kabayan.
Do you have any special message for our audience?
Of course, maraming salamat salamat kabayan for being here with us. We are extra happy kabayan.
Absolutely. Siyempre, napaka-saya namin na nakikita namin kayo dyan at talagang mas nakakatuwa na nakikita namin nakangiti kayo. Dahil ang gaganda ng mga ngiti nyo. Smile nga kayo dyan! Thank you so much na sinamahan nyo kami. Kahit na huling araw na namin, meron pa rin bukas for iba-ibang mga bansa kasi passport to your world nga, di ba? So, ito yung para sa Pilipino, pero ikwento nyo rin sa mga kaibigan nyo, marami pang ibang bansa na susunod. Pero, gising pa ba kayo dyan? Yes! Okay, just wanted to check. Guys, ang gagaling ng mga singers natin, di ba? Ang champion talaga, di ba?
Nicole, I love you!
Well, our next singer is another champion. Hindi lang star. Champion. Champion din siya, guys. Dahil she does not leave any stage without setting it on fire. At talaga naman, she leaves everyone in awe in every performance that she does all around our country. And now she has brought that performance all the way here to Saudi Arabia to make all of you guys happy. Guys, mahuhulaan niyo ba kung sino ang susunod na tawag ng Tanghalan Duets Grand Champion? Sino? Okay, alam nyo. Alright, well, dahil dyan, guys, give a very warm welcome to Mariel Montaliano!
Feel your touch. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words as you lie here by my side. Ang gaganda naman ng boses. Please say you love me too. These sweet words, they can change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Baby, I believe in love. Baby, I believe just reach out and I'll be Do you want to hear more? Alright. Bago po yan, nais ko po na magpasalamat sa Your Passport to the World. Maraming salamat po for including me sa inyong roster of artists. And thank you to the General Entertainment Authorities, or GEA, and to His Excellency Turki Al-Sheikh, and to the Quality of Life program. At maraming salamat po sa inyo mga kababayan for being here tonight! Simula pa lang po yun ng aking set. So, this next song naman po, ang nais ko po i-share bilang, again po, nasabi ko na po namin, unang night this is my first international show, and I believe this is just one of the many miracles na nangyari sa buhay ko. And this next song is one of the songs I sang in Tawag na Tanghalan Season 1. At I'm really happy to be... Hello, Sir Joel! I'm really happy na na-share ko sa inyo po, ito po sa ibang bansa. So, alam ko pong alam na alam niyo itong kantang ko. Please, sabayin niyo po ako. Let's sing! Salamat po.
Ready na po ba kayo pumarty? Bago yan, tingnan mo natin dito sa side na to. Are you feeling good tonight? Parang medyo mahina. Are you feeling good tonight? Yes! Oh, love it. Thank you very much. Pinaghandaan ko po ang aking bubok, parang payong. How about this side? Are you feeling good tonight? Yes! Bago po ako kumanta ulit, maraming salamat. Your Passport to the World. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Wala din po sila. Wala po kami dito ngayon natin. Pero maraming salamat din po sa General Entertainment Authorities or GEA, to His Excellency Turki Al-Sheikh, to the Quality of Life program at sa inyo po lahat na nandito ngayon. So, pwede na po ba akong kumanta ulit ng aking next set of songs? Okay. So, nais ko lang po mag-request. Very small request from Mariel. Okay lang po ba if magsayaw tayo, tapos kumalakpak, tapos kung gusto niyo pong kung gusto niyo pong maghanap ng partner, ng kagrupo,
Pwede yun. Okay po ba? Yes! Okay, here we go! If you change your mind on the first in line, honey, I'm still free. Take a chance on me. If you need me, let me go. I'll be around. If you got no place to go, you feel it down. Are you ready? For giving it to me. Maraming salamat po for singing and dancing with me. I am down to my last medley for this set. So, dito na pera. Sino po ba dito mga Bisaya? Cagayan, akay Cagayan. Pagkatiyan. Ako from Cebu. Isa pa din eh. Davao. Si JM, taga Davao si JM. I'm your cashier tonight. Cebu! Hello, sir. Mabuhay kami, sir. Po? Manila. Oh, naman. Maraming salamat. This is my last medley for tonight. For sure, hinali na naman ako nito, pero pwede di ba akong mag-short break lang? Saglit lang po, ha? Tatlong lang ba? Tatlong lang.
Asan ka? Ito na!
Alright. Once again, maraming salamat. Your passport to the world, to the GEA, to His Excellency Turkey Al-Sheikh, to the Quality of Life program. Maraming salamat. And please, don't forget to tag me on your, hide your mga videos, your photos, and maybe kung nakikita niyo po kami dyan sa labas, pwede niyo po kami latihan. Kahapon nga po pumunta ako sa sa kabayan na store. Yun. Marami pong nakakita sa akin lang.
Balen!
Magkano po yan? Okay lang po ba? Sige na, please ako po. Thank you po! Yes! So, bago po kami ang songs. Follow me on my social media accounts. That's just Mariel Montaliano on Instagram. And sa Facebook naman po, Mariel Montaliano. At ano po ba? Manood po kayo lagi ng Showtime. And tawag ng tanghalan. Nasa ASAP din po kami. So, again, tag me in your photos and videos. And if you feel like singing and dancing, pwede po talaga. Are we ready? Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, salamat kayo mo, ha? Yes, sir. Okay, here we go. Ready na po kayo? First I was afraid, I was petrified. Could never live without you by my side. Then I spent so many nights thinking how you do me wrong, and I've been strong, and I learned how to to the World. Palakpakan naman po natin sila ulit. Bakit dito kumalit dito? And kayo naman po yung kumanta. And thank you to the GEA, General Entertainment Authorities, to His Excellency Turkey Al-Sheikh, to the Quality of Life program, maraming salamat. Please don't forget to tag me and follow me on all my social media accounts. And please keep watching. It's Showtime, ASAP, Tawag ng Tanghalan, maraming salamat po. Okay, later po ang aking second set, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. And huwag po kayo naalis. Okay, God bless everyone!
Let's make some noise, raise the energy, and welcome with a thunderous round of applause, Isay Alande, Mariel Montella, Jaya Belisara, and Revolution go
It's like, JM Galacer na naman.
Do it!
But muna, kailangan po muna akong mag-serenade po sa inyo. Once again, maraming salamat. Your passport to the world. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo, from the technical team to the staff. Maraming salamat po. And also to the General Entertainment Authorities, GEA, to His Excellency Turki Al-Sheikh, and the Coordinated Flight Program. Maraming salamat. Okay, once again, nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Kung okay na po sa inyo, let's take a little breather po muna. Hi mga sir! Kanina ba sila makaangat yung mga hugs nila? Yeah? You having fun there, sir? Okay, I still have 2 more songs for this set. This time, I'd like to sing something a bit mellow for your ears. Is that okay? So here's something from Alicia Keys. Hey! Anyone knows the song? Can you sing with me through the choruses? Is that okay? Yes! Happy.
Panlaban talaga eh. Panlaban kami dito.
Here we go.
Alay pa pala yun.
Some just for the fame. Some people live for the power. Some people live just to make the name. Some people live in a physical things. Define what's within. Some people want love, but I don't want nothing wrong. If it ain't you, baby, if I got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some justice, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people search salamat. At salamat po sa nagbigay ng water kanina. Nandito na po ba sila? Ngayon na. At maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkanta with us and pakikisayaw, no? Okay, this last song that I'm gonna sing is something from Journey naman. Okay, something from Journey and nakanta ko rin po ito ng May 1 dito. So bilang mas marami tayo ngayon, if that's okay, pwede ba ako mag-request ng konting ilaw, pa-ilaw po from our audience? Sir, do you know what ilaw is? Yeah, that's it. Ano po yun? Anong term?
Lampa!
Lampa.
Lampa!
Lampa? Oh, that's it. Lampa? Oh, yeah. Can I request a little lampa from our audience? Right here? Alright. This is my last song. Maraming salamat, Jenna! Here we go! That's right. Are you ready? Here we go. Just a small town girl living in a
Once again, thank you so much, Passport to the World. Maraming salamat po. And, what? Sinigan! Are you from Davao now? Davao! Bisaya! Ay, Bisaya! Ay! Ginagawang Bisaya. Hello mga sir! Hello sir to our local Arabians there. Hello! You're still enjoying? Do you still have energy? Alright, thank you so much. Hello. How are you, ma'am? So, tumalong kita, eh. Anyway, sa lahat po ng mga kakarating lang, welcome po sa Passport to the World. And of course, alam ko pong nag-enjoy kayo. So, ito, hindi ko na papatagalin ito. For my next song, magtatagalog muna ako. No? Para sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan, dahil alam ko madaming in love dito tonight. Wala na in love! Bakit naman walang in love? No? Pag siguro nalaman na kumanta ko tonight, mapapakanta kayo. This is something from J.K. Labajo. So if you know the song, please sing with me. Let's go! I love you all guys, mabuhay. Thank you. Ako'y sa'yo sana ay energy, energy. Pakinggan mo ang ating sigaw sa dilaw ng buwan. Ayokong mabuhay. Sa likod, kamusta kayo? Halina tayo'y sa ilalim ng sa dilaw na buwan. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw sa dilaw na buwan. Gusto ko lang po pasalamatan ulit. Passport to the World. Maraming palakpakan na po natin. Passport to the World. Everyone. Maraming napakasaya. Thank you, General Entertainment Authorities. Masalamat po. Thank you to His Excellency Turkey Al-Sheikh. And thank you for the Flight Program. Maraming salamat po once again for having us here. And thank you so much sa napaka-lakas na energy. Salamat po sa pagtanggap sa amin. No? Thank you so much. Kahit nga, hindi mga Pinoy nandito ngayon, di ba? Thank you guys. And of course, sa mga kababayan namin, maraming salamat po sa inyo. We love you po. Ngayon, for my last song, para ito sa lahat ng mga, alam niyo ba yung YOLO? YOLO? Hindi ko alam yung YOLO? Sige, ano nga? You only live once. Okay. Para sa lahat ng mga masaya lang sa buhay. Di ba? Ngayon, kung gusto niyo akong sabayan sa pagkanta, sabayan niyo ako. And of course, magsitalunan tayo. Ready ba kayo? Let's go! Broken heart.
gumawa ng duet. Hindi pinayagan siguro.